so we are in London, central London, in the Land Rover. I haven't done a video of the Land Rover in so long, but look where we are. We're in the most busiest place. We are actually in the most countryside vehicle you could ever get in this sort of place. We said it earlier, didn't we? Like, people are looking at us like, are you lost?
Yeah,
you don't belong here. Yeah, people just walk out in front of you and everything. Everyone's holding their noses like this.
Yeah,
as well.
we've had plug noses.
Yeah, like, when you go past them, they're like this. Because apparently he chucks a lot of black smoke, which he does. Whoa, whoa! Oh! Fucking hell, he's done his mirror! Fucking hell, he's getting out and everything! Go on, smack him! Go on! Welcome to London, fucking hell, that's mad. Who's gonna have him? Right, we just had to pull over. It's just a normal though here, isn't it? I've walked up in a dirty Land Rover and we're parking in the same places as these. This is nice. So we're going Piccadilly Circus in the Land Rover. We're gonna look so weird in Piccadilly. So we're gonna go past Westminster Abbey, past Big Ben and all that lot, and look really, really out of place in the Land Rover. Oh fucking hell, I didn't even see this here. Bloody hell. Definitely need one of them steering locks here. But the thing is, that's their Toyota Yaris from where we are.
Weed.
I smell drugs. But let's see how we get on. Hopefully we don't get into no road rage. Kim has seen that squirrel and he is wanting it. Fucking squirrel! The spaces aren't made. Isn't made for a Land Rover. We're in the most scamming place on the earth. But we are so close to... We are so... Oh! I couldn't get into gear. No, they're not moving.
Where are we?
Fucking no idea. Oh, I've been to Wonderland.
Winter Wonderland, guys.
Yeah, that's where one like this. Biggest fucking shithole in the world.
Yeah, big scam. Drives us every day.
Oi! Oi! You're a fucking mug. My horn is pathetic. My horn's... Oi!
Oh my god.
My horn!
You cannot pit that horn here.
Wait, if I do both? No, don't do that.
There's a big horse head, guys.
Yeah, there's a big horse head sucking the ground off. We are going to try and find, well, head towards Westminster, which is Big Ben area and
like touristy.
Touristy bits like that, because Piccadilly is fucking mental. Like absolutely mental. We're just gonna head down there, try and find some like decent way to go down there, and then we will
try and get some clips, because if anyone tries to do this,
because this is actually hard, isn't it? This is actually hard. Go in the back, mate. Go on. Because this is actually really hard to drive up in London, because everyone just wants to smash the fuck into you. Like they don't care.
Everyone's got somewhere to be, whereas we're very carefree.
Yeah, like everyone's got to be somewhere. Bibbing no horns. Mine's fucking pathetic, and they just bib their horns for no reason. They feel like they want to smash into you for no reason.
Everyone gets angsty.
Yeah, like everyone's angry.
People hit wing mirrors.
Yeah, people are angry.
People chasing other people.
And we're just there, fucking pluming load of black smoke behind us, and the people in the just standing on the pavement are all like this. The hands on the hands on their face. So yeah, so what we're gonna do, we'll head down to Westminster and see how it goes.
But everyone gets bit.
Get off the King's rails!
Get off the horse!
Get off the King's guard!
Get off the horse!
Get off the rails!
Get off the horse!
Mayfair! Right, so I've got a headache. Elise has a headache. Kiba is knackered because we spent, how long did we take to get parking? I'll say 40 minutes to get parking, right?
Yeah.
And where we're parked is down, this keeps opening as well, down a road where up there, if you can see it up top of there, is, what's that road in America where it's all homeless shelter? What's it called?
It's like the Strip, isn't it?
Yeah, basically up at the top of that building there, it's just a strip of homeless tents, and we went downstairs to get to the car, and I'm pretty sure that's human shit.
No, it is.
Like, to get that's fucking, that just goes fully underground, but to get from up there to down here, there's piles of human shit. Like, we're like, what the fuck?
Absolutely, like human cow pats.
Yeah. Human cow pats, 100%. It's
like
fucked.
Just piles on the floor.
It was disgusting.
Dirty tissue.
Yeah, it's fucked.
Kiba almost got bit.
No, Kiba almost got attacked by 2 strays as well. Like homeless dogs.
Probably got rabies.
Yeah. Oh my god. We was just like, fuck it, because we parked here so we can go over to South Bank, and we just got there, didn't we? We was like, fuck this, we'll just go back to the car.
It's a bit chaotic.
It's really fucking too hectic, especially with little man back there. He's asleep already. He's just too much for him. So what we're going to do is we're going to head towards Mayfair, and hopefully there's a bit more going on. Well, not more going on, but
bit
hopefully
more car scenery,
car stuff up in Mayfair. But let's go to Mayfair and let's see if we can find some stuff that we cannot afford. Lambo and that. My headlights are over his roof.
I know. This is what we can see of Lamborghini.
Yeah. It's like the fucking, it's like basically having a Toyota Yaris.
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy, isn't it? Look at that. That's crazy.
Oh my goodness. Stunning. With the Christmas lights and another pool.
But listen, yeah? Just everyone watch this video so I can afford something like that. Please.
Engage.
It's absolutely nuts. I want to come up here on the E30. I do. But then, not on my own, like, I like with other people in cars.
Yeah. It needs to be a group.
Yeah.
Because otherwise it's just manic.
Am I bigger than a G-Wagon?
Taller, probably.
Am I bigger than a G-Wagon?
You've probably got a bit more height.
But like chump change compared to that. Like, do you know what I mean? This is where the money is, and we're in a fucking big old Land Rover. That's where the guy is.
Oh yeah, look.
Oh my god, there's some crazy cars here. Like, we feel so out of place coming in there. Rolls Royce. Telling you guys right now, do not come to London ever again in your cars, ever. Can't find anywhere to park. We're in Mount Street in Mayfair. All the nice cars are here, and we just want to get out and look at them, but there's nowhere to park.
So cool.
Everyone's do you know what? Do you know what's crazy, right?
What?
There's Porsche GT3 RSs, right? GT3 RSs, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, the lot. And people are filming this. Oh, there's bare spaces there.
Babe?
Permit holders.
Right, we'll turn that way then. We might be able to get...
And people are still filming the Land Rover.
Yeah, because it's different. Not a lot of people see... Oh, I can't turn around. Oh,
this is hectic.
right, what's this space here?
Oh, what does that say?
Pay by phone.
I'm
Get
doing
in
it.
there.
I'm doing it. That was insane. We have found somewhere to park. Not on Mount Street, because
that's hectic.
you have to be a billionaire to park there, basically. So we are parked near Mount Street. Relax. Let's pay for a ticket because I ain't getting clamped, and I don't think they're going to be able to put a clamp on 33-inch tyres.
Just pay for a ticket just in case.
Let's go. We found somewhere to park. So we got to... Now we're going to do some gay car spotting because there's so many around. That's crazy.
Larry, what the hell are you doing?
Larry!
Larry, you can't just... Oh,
Larry! Oh, are you all right? How did...
Larry!
That's mental, that is. It's actually crazy. So if you're wondering where these are, these are Mount Street. All these cars come from Mount Street. Well, that's definitely bigger than Land Rover. Wait, what's some geezers chatting up my butt? My goodness, there's a super from Dubai. What are you doing here?
Do you want me to stop with...
Oh no! Oh, it's kicking off!
Oh, escape!
Wait, there's no lanes left!
No, sit
Oh, quick, over there! Sorry! Sorry!
Hang on, whoa.
Sorry! I'm sorry, I'm just cutting everyone up. There's a cyclist I've cut up, he's flipped me off. Oh my god. I'm sorry, everyone.
Okay, I'm not gonna...
I have never been so stressed in my entire life. We're parking on Belgrave Square. We're here for a Defender meet, and I know I'm in a Discovery, don't even say it, because people are looking at me weird already. Defender's over there, and hopefully they're going to start piling up soon. I've got hardly any battery on my GoPro, so I'm going to try and get what I can. We're safe, let's go. Let's go, Keeps. Oh my goodness, this is giraffe. Right, so my last clip was that guy in the giraffe suit. I have no idea what he was doing, but the Defender meet was an absolute flop. So I just filmed the odd few clips. I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, see you in the next. Peace.